This is on the 2021 Tesla Model 3. If you get your car and you're not really used to how the Tesla drives, you kind of want it to be a lot like your old car in terms of its driving characteristics. You can press this little button right here and that'll bring up this screen. You can press driving. When you get over here, by pressing this one, you have kind of a more of a cushy feel in your steering wheel, so you can move it a little bit and the car won't move very much. Standard would be when you move it, it's going to move almost right away, and sport would be when you move it is an immediate effect, so more for like a sports car. This is the standard that comes with your car, is hold, which is pretty cool. That's where you're coming to a point where you want to stop. You take your foot off of the accelerator, and you don't even have to put your foot on the brake in most cases, because the car will start to activate its regenerative braking to add more energy back into your battery, and that'll slow your car down. In most cases, it'll slow it all the way to a stop. That's pretty cool. Kind of hard to get used to in the beginning, so you may want to press roll, which is a little closer to the way your car was. If you had an automatic transmission, you could press creep. And what creep does is, if you're at a stop with hold, you just take your foot off the accelerator and your car will stop and it won't move, even if it's on a hill. It's pretty cool. But if you press creep, it'd be more like your automatic transmission. Your car, if you took your foot off of the accelerator, off of the brake, your car would start to move a little bit even before pressing the accelerator. And then when you press the accelerator, of course, it'll go really fast. So those are a couple things to keep in mind, and these are fun. These are whether you want to have standard or chill. Chill might be a little bit closer to your old car, where when you hit the accelerator, it doesn't just take off like a rocket. I love this feature of this car. It's just, we don't have the twin motor, we just have the regular Model 3, but on standard, man, you hit the accelerator and this thing just takes off. It's so fun. So that's a neat feature. But just wanted to teach you guys those ideas. The slip start, you can use that to help free your vehicle if you're stuck in the snow or the sand or the mud. But I think this is probably the best for giving you the most battery life, to use hold. But if that's just too weird for you in the beginning, you may want to try the creep, which is probably closest to the way your car was before. Thanks so much for watching our video, and please subscribe when you get a chance, and also hit the notification bell so we can send you lots more videos just like this one.